here is our question. In this question we are interested only in ranks, different ranks. So let us see. Q given in the question is 1 0 0 0 0 1 can be taken because its rank is 4. You see this matrix is 5 into 4, and QP can be taken as 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 You see this matrix is 5 into 6. According to question, Q is with rank 4 and this with 2. So because we are interested only in ranks, so for this matrix we can take 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. You see this is I4, and this matrix can be written as QP 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now I have written in this way because these two has the same size. Now we have to find the rank of P. So in the same way, as we are interested in rank, only in rank, so we will write P will be Q inverse QP. QP is here 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. And you know Q inverse. Q is an identity matrix, so its inverse will be the same. So this with Q inverse Q will be the identity matrix I4, because Q is itself an identity matrix and inverse will be the same, and product of two identity matrix, these two will be an identity matrix I4, and this gives us 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, the same matrix. And you see the rank of this matrix is 2, so the rank of P will be 2. So this value 2 will take the place of this vacant space.